Hello everybody, this is Tony at Callis Rennsport again. Today we have, amongst all the other cars, we have a 2018 Panamera, and we are servicing it. We're changing the oil and filter, we're putting in the 020 weight oil, and I just want to show you a little bit about this new car. This is the PCM 4.0 touchscreen, and you can utilize CarPlay with that. You can see the newer center console, which they've had a few problems with, but pretty much worked the bugs out of. And for us to be able to service this car, to be able to reset the maintenance intervals and the light, you're going to have to go through either, well, one of two ways. Either the PT3G or PWIS3 as they call it, the factory tester, or what we have here, which is the PXN, Porsche External Network. It's run off of a J2534 connection, which is a pass-through, meaning we have a pass-through device, which like a vehicle communication interface, and a standard laptop with the Porsche software, which is not easy to get. You buy it in 1 hour chunks. We are now at about 21 minutes left. And so it's been connected for about 40 minutes, and it's still thinking about how to reset the maintenance lights. Really what it's doing is it's communicating with Germany Porsche, and that's the problem. So the connection we have is, I think, about as good as you can get, and we're just waiting for the maintenance light to be reset, and hopefully it works. So this is our plight, to deal with the aftermarket software, or actually the factory software, through the J2534 device. Okay, thanks.